The journey of bringing an invention to product can be a long and difficult one, even after a patent has granted. Once you have a patent for an invention, you need to begin the process of making it a reality. This can involve reaching out to specialists like engineers and developers and manufacturers who can help bring the product to life. You'll then need to find the funding and resources to bring it to production, create prototypes for testing, and create detailed plans for manufacturer. Finally, when your product is ready, you need to find retailers willing to stock it, as well as marketers and advertisers who will get people excited about buying it. It's time-consuming, expensive, and nerve-wracking. But when you eventually succeed in the marketplace, there's nothing more gratifying. Hey everybody, it's attorney Randi. I'm an intellectual property attorney. That means I help inventors, creators, and entrepreneurs turn their ideas into profits. By the way, if that sounds like you, after this video, hop over to meetwithrandi.com and schedule time to brainstorm with me about the different ways to protect your invention. If you're new to my channel, now would be a brilliant time to click the subscribe button and turn on the bell for notifications so you'll receive an alert every time I drop a new episode into this video series. In today's episode of How an Ordinary Inventor Can Turn into a Millionaire, the hero's journey, Matteo and Jennifer are faced with new obstacles on their path to achieving their dreams. Armed with a patent, they have an incredible opportunity to make their invention a success. But they realize that obstacles lie in their way. The journey ahead isn't easy by any means, but they remain determined to make their invention a success. With hard work and creative solutions, Matteo and Jennifer may soon be able to turn the impossible into the possible. Keep watching as we help them along the path to turn their amazing invention into a thriving business. As clients come to me with their startup ideas, my heart skips a beat. Working with ambitious entrepreneurs is one of the most rewarding parts of my job, one that keeps me engaged and fulfilled. In each case, clients come to me with questions like, can you help me protect my logo? Or can I get a patent on my invention? I answer those questions and so much more as my clients focus on their business success. From that point on, we become partners. I'm there every step of the way to remove any unknowns or uncertainties they may face as their business grows. It's always amazing when clients turn their ideas into something tangible, and I'm proud to be part of that process by providing reliable legal protection. Now, back to our story. Matteo and Jennifer understood that they were going to need the expertise of a variety of people to get their invention out into the world. Software engineers, marketers, investors, and manufacturers, of course. This made them thrilled about the possibilities, but anxious about potential issues. To help ease their concerns, I explained to them the key legal tips to keep in mind when working with others. First, be sure all agreements are in writing. In this fast-paced, technology-based world, transactions with others are often made with a verbal agreement, a text message, or a handshake. Even when there's a written contract, it's often signed without any thought to what it really means. At the beginning of a relationship, you're in what I call the honeymoon phase. At these early stages, novelty and possibilities drive the relationship. Expectations are high and everyone is excited. Unfortunately, as time passes, misunderstandings may occur. Not only will the relationship suffer, your business could be subject to a legal dispute. Worse yet, your business could be in jeopardy. Litigation is expensive. Your reputation is irreplaceable. And your invention and business may be a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Why take the risk? Protect those relationships with the right agreement at the right time, allowing you the peace of mind to focus on your day-to-day growth. Then you can sleep at night, knowing that you can develop your invention and operate your business without the worry of later losing it all. Second, protect your IP ownership. Protecting your intellectual property is an important part of ensuring the success of your business, even with a granted patent in hand. Non-disclosure, confidentiality, and non-compete agreements are all tools you can use to keep your ideas safe. These agreements help protect your original work from being stolen or misused, while also establishing boundaries with the people you're working with. Additionally, they guard against anyone copying your invention or otherwise misusing it without your permission. In short, these legal documents can be invaluable when protecting your intellectual property. Third, protect all your IP. It's great that you have an issued patent, but that's just the beginning. There's lots of types of intellectual property. You want to protect it all. I'll share more about this in a moment. After working hard to perfect their invention, Matteo and Jennifer were at a crossroads. They wanted to share it with the world, but feared that someone else would steal their ideas. To protect themselves, they agreed that any contracts they were presented would be reviewed by me and my team before signing, and that all potential partners would first need to sign confidentiality agreements. In the end, although still a little anxious about the risks of being taken advantage of, Matteo and Jennifer felt confident, knowing that their invention was as secure as possible. The pair breathed a sigh of relief that their hard work could finally be shared without sacrificing their confidence in protecting what belonged to them. Earlier, I mentioned that you should protect all your IP. Don't stop at just one patent. Your brand, including your product name, taglines, business name, and logos, is all your intellectual property, with or without trademark registrations. Protect it before somebody else takes it from you. Your content, including your software code, is your intellectual property, with or without copyright registration. Now, there are some things, like going to court, that require you to register your copyright. So for your major code and your other important content, be sure to copyright register it. Your inventions. You've got one patent, but very likely there may be more inventions as you further develop the product. Don't forget to file those patents also. So I know this is complex, and I barely touched the surface with this short video. And I know that it can be confusing to go it alone. That's why I'd like to offer you a free patent strategy session where we can look at your patent protection together. And I can make specific recommendations for you that are going to help you move forward fast without the risk of later finding out your product is not protected. So hop over to meetwithrandi.com and schedule time with me to brainstorm with me the different ways to protect your invention. And while what I just taught you is important, it might not be the most important thing for you right now, which is why I'm placing another video link right here for you to check out. And if you click on my face, you can subscribe so that you receive an alert each time I drop new content like this. I'll see you in the next episode.